Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain how the trim and erase commands work in LusoCAD. Both commands allow us to eliminate objects or sections in an object, but they work in different ways. Let's try the trim command first. Type TR or select it in the Modify ribbon. Here we have multiple intersecting lines, creating a grid. The trim command allows us to erase sections of a line that are intersected with other lines. For example, we can trim the excess lines that get out of the grid. The trim command also lets us select these sections using the fence subcommand, a very useful tool for selecting multiple lines. By drawing a selection line across all desired lines, we can trim them easily. A similar subcommand is crossing, which allows us to make a selection by dragging our cursor. In LusoCAD, we can trim lines that are not even intersecting with other lines, but we can't select the entire line across the grid, since it can only select intersected portions. In contrast, if we select a line after disabling the trim command, and use the erase command by typing E, we can quickly erase the entire line. This is essentially the same as selecting the line and pressing the delete key in your keyboard. The erase command is more convenient for when we want to delete entire objects and lines, and the trim command allows us to be more precise with intersections. That was all for the trim and erase commands in LusoCAD. Remember to keep watching to learn even more commands for your drawing journey.